So nearly down in the bay. This is quite a climb. It's really steep country. And there's our track. If I can get my finger in, right up there, that's where we come down from when I last spoke to you. And here's our view out into Cook Strait. That's Cape Jackson in the distance, white rocks just in front of us. And just around the corner on the right, we saw earlier Cape Koamaru. Pretty spectacular place. Look at the clarity of that water, it's beautiful. So here's our first good view of the bay. This is Onauku Bay and Cape Koamaru right there. So we are pretty much in Cook Strait. And this is the sort of terrain that we're dealing with out here. It is not easy. Chainsaw's had a malfunction, so we're just going to walk down to Onauku Bay and have some lunch. It's about half a kilometre and about 160 metres elevation to lose to get down to the beach, but well worth the walk. It's a lovely spot. See where the pigs are digging up the track. Yes, bulldozer would sort this track out. We've been cutting the scrub and the gorse back, but now the chainsaw has decided it doesn't want to play anymore. Starter mechanism. So we kind of have to abandon this, unfortunately, just when we were making some really good progress too. But neither of us have walked down to this bay before, so we're going to take the opportunity to go down here and have lunch.
Not the smartest of things to go to.
You're not talking to Doc about shooting yet, are you? They're not up to date with what they want to do or what they're going to do? No.
Have they said something here?
No.